Hello and welcome to Make Your Mark Monday. I'm going to start using Mondays and bringing you news that you can use, election related, legal related, and just a variety of topics. So please send me messages, comment on these, and let me know topics that you would like to hear from me about. But today I'm going to be talking to you about felons and whether they can vote. So I posted a question a few weeks ago asking, can a convicted felon vote? The answer to that question is, it depends, which is such a lawyerly answer, but it does depend. A lot of people are under the impression that once you are a convicted felon, you can never vote again, and that is just simply not true. So what the law actually says, and it is under the Texas Elections Code, section 11.002, and it says that a qualified voter is a person who is 18 years of age, a United States citizen, and has not been determined to be has not had a final judgment of total mental incapacity or a partial mental incapacity without the right to vote. This is the most applicable section for our talk today, which is has not been finally convicted of a felony, or there is the transition. Or if you have been finally convicted of a felony, A, you must be fully discharged from your sentence, including any term of incarceration, parole, probation, fine, fees, or have completed any period of probation ordered by the court. So you just must be done with everything. If you pled, if you went to trial and got a sentence, whatever that sentence was, all you have to do is be finished with all of it. And guess what? Your voting right is immediately restored. You do have to register to vote again, but you are immediately eligible to register to vote upon completing all of your sentence, whatever it entailed. Or you can be pardoned, which pretty much takes away that felony conviction as if it never happened, or otherwise released from the disability, and the disability being your right to vote. So y'all, let's get out here. If you had ever been convicted of a felony and you thought you couldn't vote anymore, throw that knowledge in the trash because it is not the truth. As long as you are completely done with whatever your sentence is, you can go and get registered to vote. And I need you to do that because I'm running for judge in 2022 and I need you to vote for me. And in order to do that, you must get registered. So let's forget that piece of information that we've been taught over the years that convicted felons cannot vote anymore or ever again. It's not the truth here in Texas. That's where I'm running and that's where I need you to vote for me at. So if you're in Texas, you had been convicted of a felony at any point in time in your life, and you are completely done with your sentence, your fine, your fees, probation, parole, your prison sentence, jail time sentence, whatever it was, you're done with it, go get registered to vote and start exercising your right to vote in these elections because they are so important to everybody. So that is the piece of information I wanted to give today. Again, I want to send you to go look this law up yourself. You can also consult with your favorite attorney, whether it's me or somebody else, but it's the Texas Election Code, section 11.002. It is titled Qualified Voter. The section that's applicable to what we're talking about today is under 4A and B. And that talks about convicted felons and when you're able to vote. So here's also a little piece of information that you may not know. When you're on a deferred probation, so let's say you had some felony case and you accepted deferred probation or was sentenced to deferred probation on your case. That is not a final conviction. So you can still register to vote and vote because you have not been finally convicted of that felony charge. Okay? Also, If you have been convicted, let's say you went to trial, you were found guilty and sentenced, and your attorney filed an appeal, and your case is currently on appeal, guess what? You have not received a final felony conviction. So while that case is on appeal, your conviction is not a final determination under the law. So you're on appeal, you can be registered to vote and you can vote. If you're on appeal and you're sitting in prison, get your mail-in ballot so that you can vote. Also, if you just have a pending case, so you've been arrested and you're going to court, you haven't yet had a trial or pled to anything, so your case is just out there hanging out, it's still pending. And while a case is pending, it is not a final conviction. So you're still pending. You haven't been convicted of anything. You can register to vote and you must vote. Okay, that is all for today. I don't want to keep you too long. I'm going to shoot you a website. Go to votetexas.gov, votetexas.gov. If you are and meet these qualifications, please get registered to vote because we need you, especially in these 2022 elections. We're going to need you to be registered to vote, and we're going to need you to vote and really make a difference in the elections that are upcoming. So votetexas.gov, get registered and get ready to get out and make your mark. Vote me, Mark Clayton, for Judge, Tarrant County Criminal Court number 7. Check out all my social media and my website. Please like and follow. Most importantly, support and elect. Thank you. And until next time, enjoy the rest of this Monday. We'll see you next week for Make Your Mark Monday.